with Marlin Steel, and today I'm showing you one of our heavy-duty, high-quality products, our Steel 6 Quart Rack. The model number is 0143-1010-05. The material we use for this rack is plain steel red powder coated. Check out how beefy this rack is. It weighs 1.69 pounds, and just by picking this up, you can feel the quality and the weight of it. This is no imported rack. I know this is sturdy American quality. This is 100% fabricated here in the USA. I got these welds. They're made by robots using medium frequency welding, 250,000 watts. These welds will not fail you. Our rack is 11.13 inches in length, 7.75 inches in width, and 4.56 inches in height. This rack weighs 1.69 pounds, or for my friends overseas in Canada and Mexico, it weighs 0.77 kilograms. The robust quality is ideal for storage. If you need any changes to optimize the rack in your facility, we can make it for you. Hit me up if you are interested in custom. My email address is sales@marlinwire.com. I will ask a couple of questions to understand your fit, form, and function, and then bring in my engineers to help create a detailed print for your custom project. 20% of our team are degreed mechanical or chemical engineers. Thanks for joining me and look forward to providing you great USA quality. I think this red powder coated steel rack is a win for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.marlinwire.com.